Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal tortillas. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of hot water, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of oil. You'll also need a blender and a non-stick pan. Begin by blending the oats into a fine flour. This step is crucial for a smooth dough. Once blended, set the oat flour aside. Now let's mix our dough. In a bowl, combine your freshly blended oat flour with a pinch of salt. Next, slowly pour in the hot water and the tablespoon of oil. Mix everything together until a soft, pliable dough comes together. It should be easy to handle but not sticky. Once mixed, cover the dough and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period allows the oats to fully absorb the liquid, making the dough easier to work with. After resting, divide your dough into 6 equal portions. On a lightly floured surface, or between 2 pieces of parchment paper, roll each portion into a thin, round tortilla, about 6 inches in diameter. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium heat. Cook each tortilla for about 1 minute on each side, or until you see light brown spots and it puffs up slightly. Don't overcook them, or they will become stiff. Your delicious oatmeal tortillas are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite fillings, whether it's for tacos, wraps, or even a sweet treat. They are wonderfully soft and flexible. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.